What's the meaning of Christmassy? Christmassy. Christmassy.
Christmassy. Christmassy. Christmassy is an adjective used to describe something that has the festive spirit and atmosphere associated with Christmas. It refers to the feeling of joy, warmth, and happiness that people experience during the holiday season. The word is often used to describe decorations, activities, music, and other things related to the celebration of Christmas. For example, a room decorated with lights, a tree, and other traditional ornaments could be described as Christmassy, as could a cup of hot cocoa enjoyed by a cozy fireplace. Overall, Christmassy denotes a sense of cheer and goodwill associated with the holiday.